Join me as I dive deep into the world of finance to uncover the secret to mastering the time value of money. The time value of money is a fundamental concept that can make or break your financial future. It's the idea that money received today is worth more than the same amount received in the future. This is because money received today can be invested to earn interest, while money received in the future has already lost potential earning power. Understanding the time value of money is crucial for making informed investment decisions and achieving long-term financial goals. The sooner you understand the time value of money, the better equipped you'll be to manage your finances effectively. Many people underestimate the power of compound interest and the impact it can have on their savings over time. By grasping the concept of the time value of money, you'll be able to make smarter decisions about investments, savings, and debt repayment. You'll also be more likely to avoid common financial pitfalls, such as overspending or failing to plan for the future. Money has a different value depending on when it's received, and this difference can add up significantly over time. For instance, receiving $1,000 today is more valuable than receiving $1,000 a year from now, because you can invest that $1,000 today and earn interest on it. This concept may seem simple, but it has far-reaching implications for personal finance and investing. By recognizing the time value of money, you can start making conscious decisions about how to allocate your resources and maximize your returns. The time value of money is a key concept that underlies many financial decisions, from saving for retirement to investing in the stock market. It's essential to understand how time affects the value of money so you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Whether you're just starting to save or you're a seasoned investor, grasping the time value of money can help you achieve financial success and security. Many people believe that having a lot of money is the key to financial freedom, but that's not entirely true. What's more important is understanding how to manage your money effectively, and that includes recognizing the time value of money. Some individuals think that time is money, but that's a misconception. Time is actually more valuable than money because it can't be replaced or replenished. Once time is lost, it's gone forever, and that's why it's essential to make the most of the time you have. People often procrastinate when it comes to making financial decisions, thinking that they can start saving or investing later. However, this mindset can be costly because it ignores the time value of money. The earlier you start saving or investing, the more time your money has to grow and compound, resulting in greater returns over the long term. On the other hand, delaying financial decisions can lead to missed opportunities and a lower quality of life in the future. Some individuals believe that investing is only for the wealthy, but that's not true. Anyone can start investing, regardless of their income or net worth. What's important is to start early, be consistent, and have a clear understanding of your financial goals. By recognizing the time value of money, you can begin to make progress towards your objectives, whether that's saving for a down payment on a house, retirement, or a big purchase. The time value of money is closely tied to interest rates because interest rates determine how quickly your money will grow over time. When interest rates are high, your money will compound faster, resulting in greater returns. On the other hand, when interest rates are low, your money will grow more slowly. It's essential to understand how interest rates affect the time value of money so you can make informed decisions about borrowing, saving, and investing. Inflation is another critical factor that affects the time value of money. As inflation rises, the purchasing power of your money decreases, which means that the same amount of money can buy fewer goods and services in the future. To combat inflation, it's essential to invest your money in assets that will grow at a rate that exceeds inflation, such as stocks, real estate, or bonds. By doing so, you can protect your purchasing power and maintain the value of your money over time. The time value of money is also influenced by investment strategies, such as dollar cost, averaging, or diversification. These strategies can help you manage risk, reduce volatility, and increase returns over the long term. By understanding how different investment strategies affect the time value of money, you can make more informed decisions about your investment portfolio and achieve your financial goals. Some people believe that getting rich quickly is the key to financial freedom, but that's not always the case. What's more important is to build wealth slowly and steadily over time. by making smart investment decisions and avoiding costly mistakes. By recognizing the time value of money, you can create a solid foundation for long-term financial success and avoid getting caught up in get-rich-quick schemes or other financial pitfalls. The power of compound interest is a key factor in the time value of money. When you invest your money, it earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, resulting in a snowball effect that can help your wealth grow rapidly over time. To take advantage of compound interest, it's essential to start investing early, be consistent, and have a long-term perspective. By doing so, you can harness the power of compound interest and achieve your financial goals. Understanding the time value of money can also help you avoid debt traps, such as credit card debt or payday loans. These types of debt can be costly, because they often come with high interest rates that can quickly add up. By recognizing the time value of money, you can make more informed decisions about borrowing and avoid getting caught up in debt cycles that can be difficult to escape. One of the most significant advantages of understanding the time value of money is that it can help you build wealth over the long term. By making smart investment decisions, avoiding costly mistakes, and taking advantage of compound interest, you can create a solid foundation for financial success. Whether you're just starting out or you're nearing retirement, recognizing the time value of money can help you achieve your financial goals and enjoy a more secure financial future. The time value of money is a powerful concept that can help you achieve financial freedom and security. By understanding how time affects the value of money, you can make more informed decisions about investing, saving, and borrowing. One of the most significant insights from the time value of money is that early investments can lead to substantial wealth. For instance, investing $1,000 per month for 10 years can result in a significant portfolio, thanks to the power of compound interest. A case study of two investors, one who starts investing at age 25 and another who starts at age 35, can illustrate the power of the time value of money. Assuming both investors contribute the same amount of money each month, the investor who starts at age 25 will have a significantly larger portfolio by the time they retire, thanks to the additional 10 years of compound interest. This example highlights the importance of starting early and being consistent when it comes to investing. The time value of money can also be applied to other areas of life, such as education or career development. By investing in yourself, you can increase your earning potential and achieve greater financial success over the long term. Whether it's pursuing a degree, learning a new skill, or taking on new challenges, recognizing the time value of money can help you make more informed decisions about how to allocate your time and resources. In conclusion, the time value of money is a fundamental concept that can help you achieve financial freedom and security. By understanding how time affects the value of money, you can make more informed decisions about investing, saving, and borrowing. Whether you're just starting out or you're nearing retirement, recognizing the time value of money can help you build wealth, avoid costly mistakes, and enjoy a more secure financial future. The key takeaway from the time value of money is that it's essential to start early, be consistent, and have a long-term perspective when it comes to investing. By doing so, you can harness the power of compound interest and achieve your financial goals. It's also important to avoid costly mistakes, such as procrastination or getting caught up in debt cycles, and instead, focus on building wealth slowly and steadily over time. Recognizing the time value of money can also help you create a solid foundation for retirement planning. By starting to save and invest early, you can take advantage of compound interest and build a significant portfolio over time. Whether you're planning to retire early or later in life, understanding the time value of money can help you make more informed decisions about your retirement plans and ensure a more secure financial future. In summary, the time value of money is a powerful concept that can help you achieve financial freedom and security. By understanding how time affects the value of money, you can make more informed decisions about investing, saving, and borrowing. Remember to start early, be consistent, and have a long-term perspective, and you'll be well on your way to building wealth and achieving your financial goals. To recap, the main points discussed in this video are the importance of understanding the time value of money, how it affects financial decisions, and the key factors that influence it, such as interest rates and inflation. By grasping these concepts, you can make more informed decisions about your finances and achieve greater success over the long term. The time value of money is a fundamental principle that can help you achieve financial freedom and security. By recognizing its importance and applying its concepts to your financial decisions, you can build wealth, avoid costly mistakes, and enjoy a more secure financial future. Remember to always consider the time value of money when making financial decisions, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals.